See, people don't realize I'm losing money off of this man. I have put my business on hold. I put what I plan to do on YouTube on hold. People don't understand. There are many people, these families don't realize a lot of us have put a lot of things that we plan to do on hold to help them. We did. And a lot of us have done things they don't even know that we've done. This is just my podcast. That live I did went 186 people on that live chat. And they still waiting for me to go back home because they want to know more about it. Let's go to that. Let's go to that for a second. Hold on. These are all my podcasts. This is just one podcast. First one, the second one I did, as you can see, was about Allegia. And that was in December of 2018. So I've been talking about this man for quite a while, from 2018, bringing awareness to this man from 2018. All of this that you see is based on his contradictions. I've been contradicting this man without even realizing it for a very long time.